Hey, it's more scooter troubleshooting time. So I'm looking at it today trying to figure out what's wrong with the hall sensor. If anything, I was hoping there's a bad hall sensor in this hub motor, and that's what was causing the noise. Maybe it was out of timing or something. I don't know how these things work exactly, but there's 3 hall sensors in there, and they all seem to be working. You have hall sensors on this harness. I've got the scooter is on. Let me double check, make sure my voltage is at 0. Let's see, I'm leaving the ground in, so this should have voltage if it's on, and it's not on, so let me turn it back on. All right, now I have five I have 5 volts at the rear. This goes to the rear wheel. You can trace it out. It's going to the rear wheel, down through there, out to the rear wheel. So I have 5 volts there, as you're supposed to, between the black wire and the red wire. So now I'm going to leave the black ground in, and I'm going to test for voltage at all the colors. 490 on blue. See? Going to blue, 490, and if I rotate the wheel, kicks off, kicks back on. I don't have to move it very far. So that's what you want to see. Almost 5 volts. So the blue hall sensor works. Let's try the next one. Now I moved it to the green. The green sensor hole there, you can see it's in there. And I have voltage. And it cuts off, and it cuts back on. So the green hall sensor is good. Alright, let's try yellow. Stand by, I'll pause you. Okay, I'm in the yellow hole now, and I have 0 volts, but I'm moving the scooter, and there I get to 490. So my hall sensors are not burned out, which is also why I'm getting a speed reading in the back. I'm getting a speed reading by leaving the hall sensor plugged in, even though the motor phase wires are disconnected. Now I've tried hooking this to the front controller, and it works. It still makes the nasty noise. You saw that on my last video. So I don't know what else to try. I've tried the rear wheel power on the front controller, and right now it's hooked to the rear controller to give it 5 volts. And the 5 volts is going through the hall sensors as it should. So please help me. My motor seems to be dead. It will not work. I'm just cruising around on the front wheel right now, and that's probably not the best thing to do long term. But I'm still able to use the scooter just barely. Okay, thanks for the help. I'm looking forward to getting this baby back on the road. We'll see you later. Thanks for the Samezone scooter. It's awesome, except for all the work I've had to do, but I'm learning my way through it, so it's a mixed bag. Thanks, bye.